I'm looking for one particular waterfall. What is on the roadside. I'm not quite sure if this is the way, but we will find it out. Hello, hello, kumple. Hello. Because I never been in this side. Let's go. Is it this one? Cannot be. Welcome to Ruyong Lad Shobar village. Shobar Sirda ship. So many places to see and visit here. That was a small village. Was it like that only? Maybe, I don't know. But this is the big village. Is it this one? Cannot be. Let's move forward. I think I found it. My goodness. How cool is that one? No way, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Wow. Very tall also. Look at it. Guys, this is Meghalaya. Full of waterfalls. There is also running something that side. There is also one bigger. Let's go check it out. So we have reached. This is called Kynrem Falls. Hello. Come on, Biang. Hello guys. Hello. Come on, Biang. Mo. Go play. Shano. Sohra. Okay, to. Oh, citron. Best. Is it good? Best. Okay, Mo. Bye. So guys, this is called Kynrem Falls. I have seen nothing like this on my whole life. I have seen nothing like this in my whole life. Holy cow! Look at this one. My gracious goodness. This is very beautiful. How are you? From where?
We are from Tripura.
Tripura?
Yes.
Wow! First time I see Tripuran people. Wow, very great to see you guys.
Yeah.
From where in Tripura? Agartala or?
Agartala.
Aha, wow, because many people from the Tripura side is watching our videos. Hindi, kaha jayega? Kitna paisa?
आप गए थे त्रिपुरा?
Acha.
त्रिपुरा गए थे?
Tripura, no, not yet. I will come.
जाना.
Yeah, later I will come.
AB family.
AB family, yes.
My husband wants to take a picture with you.
Oh,
Can we have a selfie?
of course. Let's have a selfie. Selfie with Tripuran people. Wow, yes, absolutely. 7 days, ho gaya?
Well completed.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you. So now also Tripuran people, you are in the real life, you are in my YouTube channel. Yes. And guys, very happy also to see Tripuran people, because we have noticed that there is many people from Tripura who is watching our videos. So thank you guys for watching, and please do comment who is watching from Tripura. Please do comment on the comment section. And guys, Tripura, welcome here in Meghalaya. This is what you see here. Many waterfalls and also beautiful people. Hello. Come no.
Yes, one photo.
Yes, let's have a photo.
One madu one.
One.
Keduk bah. Marway tu marway. Marway tu.
Ta.
Kem debet.
Mo. Kat no long.
Sunbrow.
Oh, 50 this one. One piece 50.
Take it.
Okay.
Sheila from Sheila.
From Shella.
Shella.
Ah, like that. Okay.
Not no pork.
Riboy nongpa is not that sweet. This one is very sweet.
Okay, guys. Now we see. Is it true or not?
It's true.
It's true. True only.
Yeah, it's very true.
Ah, okay. Let me try. So this is from
Sheila.
Shella.
Saikarap.
Ah,
Saikarap.
and Shella is which side?
This side, Bangladesh side.
Bangladesh side. Okay.
How is it? Tasty.
It's tasty.
Tasty.
Very nice.
Mitha. Like, subscribe.
Very sweet. Best. Tip top. No need chili. How I know actually? Yes. Come on. Oh, oto ne. No problem. I think Marina have one photo or video from this side. I have just seen it. Now I have been here also for myself. Wow. Come no. Beautiful.
Itynnad.
Itynnad.
Balang.
Oh, balang. Oh, problemo.
Tu mati bor.
Matino. Problemo.
Dai konkrin.
Ah. Kublai. Come no, biang. Biang ni.
Mangi dangwan menta.
Nah, menta.
Menta mangi dangwan.
Ah, to. Ma.
Mapi disa ne.
Ah, sha. Oh.
Kublai.
Okay, to.
Kublai.
Ah, song.
Song mapi song.
Song.
This our
Baila. Yes.
I see in YouTube.
Yes. Did you like?
Oh,
Yeah, like.
Like.
Oh, nice. I like your sunglasses. Wow, look at these sunglasses. Does it fit for me or what?
Nice.
Biang.
Bien. Good.
If you are willing, but I think maybe there is maybe they don't allow.
No, Lord Jagannath temple
No. Where is it?
in Puri or in Odisha.
Odisha, right?
Yeah, in Odisha, Puri Jagannath temple is the famous.
It's famous.
In worldwide.
Oh, worldwide also.
Everyone know about the Puri Jagannath temple.
I didn't know.
You can ask your colleagues.
But now I know.
Yeah.
I don't have colleagues. I'm a.
In Puri there was sea beach also. In Puri,
Yes.
there is sea beach, na?
Sea beach. What is that one?
Sea beach.
Ah, beaches. Ah, okay. Ah, beaches also.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a clean beach.
Yeah. Pura.
These falls have been seen. Beautiful place. Alright guys, that was about the Kynklen Falls. Now we're gonna continue for Sohra town. Let's go roam around.